Industry supports, well, everything. And it's evolving rapidly. Like you, we see the need for transformation in our factories and distribution centers. And we must keep innovating the next generation of technology so we can make what we make more sustainable, more efficient, more resilient, and more people-centric. How are we adapting? Well, with our commitment to a net zero footprint, we're putting industries of the future to work. Here, in our smart factory in Monterrey, Mexico, by adopting the most sustainable practices and tools available. Behind it all is EcoStruxure, our open IoT-enabled platform that lets machines that do this communicate with software that does this to help our largest factory in North America unify its global supply chain and ensure stable, optimized production through cybersecure digital connectivity and AI. EcoStruxure solutions help this factory reduce downtime up to 20%, save an average of 13% in energy costs, and lower carbon emissions by 377 tons. The Monterrey Smart Factory is the first plant in Mexico to achieve zero waste to landfill, and this is just one of our advanced facilities around the world. And our ambition for a zero carbon future doesn't stop there. We're sharing what we've learned so that we can stand with you as your digital partner for sustainability and efficiency. And we can all make what we make, and make it for life.